This is Alard item Y4535. It is a Bock model FP-90 spin dryer, a centrifugal dryer, which is specifically for leafy vegetables, sliced, diced, chopped, shredded, lettuce, onions, shredded carrots, all that sort of pre-cut produce, fresh cut kind of thing. Particularly, although we've supplied them for other things, from people who are washing, cleaning rags to other types of applications. It is a high-speed centrifugal dryer, and I'll show you some more details here in a minute. This machine has been totally refurbished, including a new curb weldment, which is the $64 term for the tub that the spinner basket spins inside of, which catches the water being released from the product due to the centrifugal motion. You will see it has nice new cylinders for the cover lift. The cover is all really nice and clean, the lift and everything. Base, the drive, it has all new electronics inside. The hydraulic drive inside the stainless steel base there has been fully refurbished, as well as a new pneumatic brake with new brake pads and everything in it. So this thing is in top-notch shape and ready to go. This has a safety system as part of the controls. You can't start it up unless the lid is shut, and it locks the lid down during the operational cycle. Here's the dryer basket on the inside. I don't know, we've got some rags in there. Discount that. I guess we were just checking it out to make sure it had good balance. The basket has 3/8-inch holes, and it's of course all nice, clean, food grade stainless steel. I'll just give you, we're not hiding anything here. We'll pull that out and show you how nice it is. There are lifting ears on each side so that you can pick these baskets up with an overhead winch and a yoke to lift them out and dump product and replace the baskets into the dryer unit. All right, so we're going to get this fired up for you. Go ahead and start her up there, Bill.
Won't start without the cover.
Oh, won't start with the lid up. Okay. Put the lid down. We will push the button. And there's not really a lot to see here, but you can hear the machine spinning up. There is a brake light, kind of like the tail light on your car there. Is that telling us that the lid? Ah, okay, that tells you that the lid is locked down. We did put a blanket in there so the basket doesn't act like a siren and howl at us, and to simulate a load, kind of. These have a capacity manufacturer rated for 130 pounds. By the way, I mentioned the lifting yoke for the basket. While this is spinning, I can show you what one of those lifting yokes looks like. These don't come with the spinner necessarily, so if you need lifting yokes or basket dollies, there are also dollies available that you can set those big baskets on to roll them around. Most people have multiple baskets. Call us at 315-589-4511 to discuss your particular need for dryers, lift yokes, accessories, dollies, etc. So, looks like we've got quite a lot of time left. I think I'll shut this off while it's spinning. It looks like it's got about 3 minutes left, and I will pick up when we get down a little quieter, but you can see how smooth it runs. It's humming along at full speed very nicely here. So a couple minutes have passed. We're still spinning here. We have this set for a fairly long cycle time. I really don't know how long you will need for your particular product. That's kind of up to you. That's why this machine has a nice brand new settable timer over here on the side. New pneumatic hoses, and I mentioned the brake, the washdown motor drive. And this machine is just generally fresh as a daisy. So we should be getting kind of down to the end of the cycle here. And you heard the pneumatic valve open up. The brake is applied. It is spinning down, and that takes a little time. That's a pretty heavy basket. I think I haven't actually weighed one, so I hesitate to give an exact number, but I believe they're 300 pounds. So what it will do is the lid stays locked until the basket has completely stopped spinning. And that little light will go out when it's safe to open the lid.
It's stopped now, but figure with 100 pounds of vegetables, I gave it 10 more seconds.
Yeah, that is on a timer. We set it to be safe for a little longer than we need to test with an empty basket, but as Bill said, a little more weight in there would require a longer time, but you can set it to make sure that you're safe in the plant. So there you have it. Hey, I'll show it to you from this side, just for a different angle. That is it for our letter Y4535, a Bock model FP-90 centrifugal spin dryer. As of this video, it is in stock at Alard Equipment in really like new condition. Excellent operational, mechanical, cosmetic, electrical, and pneumatic condition at Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York.